I'll upload few attachments here. This is one attachment I'm uploading here, and I'll also upload one PDF file, a warranty statement. This is one of the warranty statements which I'm uploading. These are the two attachments which I uploaded. And if I go to messaging session, and these are the two files which I uploaded. So agent have to manually go through it, preview the file, and he has to understand the details here. And this is one of the PDF document which I uploaded, which has the warranty details. It's like a warranty certificate PDF. So this is one of the PDF document. And he can also use this button, summarize files. I'll click on this summarize files button. Here it will show up two files which are uploaded under this messaging session. So we uploaded these two files, right? So that is the reason it is showing up two files here. Now we have to select one file. Let's select this file. Now let's click on generate summary, and you can see the summary generated here, and you can always see the recommendations as well here. Let's summarize other file as well. Click on summarize file again. Now select this image, click on generate summary, and you can see the summary here.